Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 28th of January 2019, or 2020. Sorry. Hope you had a good trading day. Let's look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market futures form. Gapped down big on to start the week. Tried to recover intraday and then ended up closing near the lows of the day. We'll look at that in a minute. But this is definitely, look at that 13 sell signal in place, right on the money. And by the way, we've been talking about that 32.55 level. We talked about it in the market preview over the weekend. That's the risk line here, 32.55 on the monthly sell signal. And we're now back under that. So again, if you don't close above that, that sell signal is still in place. So that's going to make it super interesting. Crude oil down 26 cents. Gold gains $2.80. S&P cash loses $51.84 on the session. Again, a big gap down. This is trapped out everybody that's been buying for the last 3 weeks, by the way. Remember, though, as Rich said today in the lab, the sellers are lower. We didn't really see any real selling. We didn't really see any real selling today, intraday, so we're going to be watching for that now. NASDAQ 100 down 189. Also, didn't quite get the 13 sell signal there, but some issues. The SOX down 75.17. Biotech's down 24.12. The Russell 2000 loses 18.09. The VIX gains $3.67. The trend closes up high at 2.11 after a higher close the day before and puts the 10-day up at 1.33. NASDAQ volume almost 2.6 billion shares as we declined. But remember, there wasn't real intraday selling. There was just the gap down for the most part. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ negative 1646. On the New York negative 1637. Google loses $34.44. Apple down $9.36, also trapping out most of the last month. Netflix down 10.28. Amazon loses 33.3. Tesla down $6.80, but it was back up from the open. Remember, there's a short squeeze going on there, so they bought that first. Facebook down $3.07. Goldman Sachs down $3.78. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF up $2.21, and the Dow down 453. In terms of intraday action, 5-minute candles, you can see. So it really wasn't a very interesting day. Unfortunately, you'd think with the gap and such and everything that's going on in the world with the virus and the concerns and the effect it has on the airline and the economy eventually, that would have been a little more interesting. We closed inside the opening 5-minute candle. We did try to go up over lunch, and we barely could get over the opening morning highs. The first 30 minutes of the day basically established the whole range of the day. So that's not a super exciting day. When you look at the NASDAQ side, it's pretty much the same thing, closed inside the opening 5-minute candle. So in terms of action, in terms of the type of day we like to trade, it didn't turn into that, but we were sure hoping for it. But let's see, another day or two down like that, the gaps even, eventually you're going to start to see some real sellers. In terms of economic data coming out this week on Tuesday, durable goods at 8:30 a.m., S&P housing price index at 9. I got a Fed member speaking at 9:30, and then the CB consumer confidence and Richmond manufacturing index at 10. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. Don't forget, we're starting a 2-day Fed meeting right on top of this. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.